My name is Ganesh Sriram Gathe and I am from Pune. I live here with my wife Shraddha and my two daughters. I have total 17-year experience in automobile industry. Currently, I am working in Yamazaki Mazak India as an application engineer. The world is changing, technology is developing beyond our wildest dream and complex issues in business environment. So I thought of pursuing my higher education to acquire new ways of thinking and problem solving skill. I heard about WIP from my colleagues and my mentor who had done his M.Tech in manufacturing. Basically, my background is mechanical engineering and I am working in machine tool industry. Looking at future demands digitalization in all factories of India, I decided to go with M.Tech. Digital manufacturing is an integrated approach of manufacturing that is centered around a computer system, and it will help to achieving my goals career-wise. It's really difficult to manage career and academics together, but thanks to my family support, I was able to pursue the program. I used to attend all the online lectures during my weekends, and if I miss any lecture, then I watch recorded lectures immediately. Thanks to BITS for such a wonderful platform. The lectures at BITS are really good and taught a subject like design for additive manufacturing, high precision product design, industrial IoT and big data analytics. With all these courses, I could easily cope up with academics and correlate them with my career. I could like to mention about Professor Benu Madhav, who taught us IIoT, as his way of teaching is very good and made all subjects more interesting. I enjoy the mechatronics remote lab, virtual lab and automation studio. In remote labs, we did experiment on actuator and controller boards DC motor principle. We studied basics of hydraulics. It's really good to use simulation of all experiments. Also, we did case studies in different subjects like product design, high precision manufacturing, precision engineering, and I did Everest group simulation with my batchmates in behavior operations, and it was a very good experience to work as a team. My final semester project was IoT in machine tools, where I applied a knowledge that I gained in previous semester to successfully complete the project. As I am working in machine tool industry, it was a good opportunity for the course of industrial IoT helped me learn how to connect all things with internet, and I am using the learning for our upcoming smart factory. Overall, I really like this program because all lecture, assignments and tests are straightforward. I never expected to learn such from online program, but BITS surprised me. I now see life is whole a new way. I would appreciate the efforts of BITS to come up with this program, and I will definitely recommend this program to all my friends and colleagues who are working in manufacturing industry. It's a topmost university of India. All programs provided by BITS are good and enhance my knowledge. Faculty is highly knowledgeable and polite in nature. All classes and labs are weekends, so it is easy to manage work and academics. No need to sacrifice job for completing post-graduation. Thanks for BITS.